You mean, man? Let's see what I'm going for this.
24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen.
Whoa, Wagwan people, you don't know Wagwan. Me there, me in the Cook and Vibes kitchen. Big up M. Dot. He's here on camera with me. Big up and coming production people, the whole team, we're there. Guess what I go and do today, people? Yeah, look, I got everything well set up and prepped already, people. Yeah, so look, pimento seed, lemon, Scotch bonnet pepper, thyme, garlic, red onions. Chicken is here, people. Yeah, so the original, authentic Jamaican fried chicken I go and give you today, no, Emma.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Everyone, big up yourself because you ain't had fried chicken on the program before. Yeah, so
and a French fry, yard fry.
A yard fry.
Yeah,
Yard fried chicken, people. So just go in, Ember, and look at the things, and you understand? Yeah, man. Let the people see what I want.
Onion and lime and Scotch bonnet. Yeah, man, that is it, people.
So look, we can test our oil. We can test our oil.
Yeah, man, test it, man. No, right now.
Not right now.
No, right now. Give that a little minute or so, but it's getting there. It's getting there.
A good vibes.
Cook and Vibe Kitchen.
There.
A long time the Cook and Vibe Kitchen ain't seen you, you know.
A long time, Ember, the Cook and Vibe kitchen ain't seen it, but a good vibe.
That
There
is
now.
it. Oi.
Outside. Oi. Yes, everyone, so guess what's happening right now, yeah? So I've got the long dumpling that I'm going to be making to go with the fried chicken, everybody, so a good vibe. So what I'm going to start doing, because I've put the garlic in the oil already, quick and fast. You see that, Imda?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, just going to put in the
Dumpling them. You fried dumpling spinners.
Spinners.
Fried spinners.
Fried spinners.
You never seen it before.
Whoops, one slip way.
You see one try to get there.
Yeah, quickly.
Yo, in our background, we see a wally power go and drink there.
Yeah, man, go and big up yourself, you know, car. I tell everybody what go on today. So
that is it.
So me just put what go on there to just represent. So we tell everybody what go on. You see?
Right,
yeah, man, a good vibes.
Oh, yeah.
What's happening right now? Have a look. So we've got the all-purpose seasoning mix, people. Yeah. So we're just gonna lightly sprinkle it over onto our fried chicken, everybody. Yeah. That's not fried yet. So good vibes. You see that, Emda?
It's a good sprinkle. Yeah, that is it.
So what I'm gonna do is turn it over.
People, if you haven't got your seasoning yet, make sure you contact Ringo Vision on Instagram, quick and fast. Get yourself your seasoning. Anybody on the channel, they should get a discount, you know.
Yeah, man, we can get a discount.
All right, it's in there. Discount. We all have a bargain. May I tell you, say, this looks really lovely right now. All the fresh thyme and Scotch bonnet, everything is just
I'm not trying to put too much seasoning in there, you know.
Yeah. Can you have natural seasoning there too, right?
Yeah, because I have everything I go on here. So look, what I've done, I've got some. But now I'm giving you the full ingredients, people, because I want you lot to tune in and put it in the comment section and let me tell you what I want and what's happening in here.
Okay.
So a piece of that, yeah, I'm going to tell you what's in here and what this is, everyone. Yeah, so come on, start commenting. Start commenting.
What's in there?
Yeah, what me now? I'm not talking about it on the program. I'm not.
It's a yard fry.
Yard fry.
That is it.
That is it. See it.
Oh, is that the batter? Oh, look, the batter. You got the Scotch bonnet on that, bro. Oi! The Scotch bonnet sticks to that. You see that, people?
Good vibes. Come over here and let me show you what I want.
All right then.
See them?
See it there.
That's a one.
That's a guan.
Catch this one as well.
Yeah, man. Oh, that's
Yeah, I'm just putting a little bit more seasoning on top of our chicken. Just getting a little bit more in there. Yeah, man. A good vibe. process now. Get it into our batter.
Secret batter.
Secret batter.
What is in it, people? What is in it? Leave your comment in the comment section. Oi! Yeah, that is it, people. Look at that. Fried spinner dumplings. Fried chicken. We see that. Oh, look at that one there. That one there, crisp up already, people. Yard fry I deal with. 24-hour kitchen.
Go on, turn on the fire. Look at it.
All right, stop. People, ages I've been waiting to give these to Ringo. So basically what I've got here is I've got dried out Scotch bonnets that are completely dry, and this is for his seasoning. Do you know what I'm saying? So there's going to be a special batch, yeah, with all the chilies that man's dried out in the Ringo Vision seasoning. Special cook and vibe collaboration. Special pots. How good vibes. Oh, he's busting the wagwan. Up and coming productions. He's done his day's work, people. We've done a music video today, so he's done his day's work. So he's chilling out. He's drinking a wagwan. What do you say? Him saying, "I must stop drink, Ringo."
No, I can't. It is hard to bring up and coming production in the kitchen with me because he's normally behind the camera, holding up the camera. But yeah, man, up and coming. This is what I'm going right now.
Joe, this really is the team.
Yeah.
Like, this really is the team here, people. Like we don't. It's not much more than this. Do you know what I'm saying?
Look, we had all the chicken on there, yeah. So what's left? This, you see this with lemons in that?
Yeah.
That's what's gonna make the thing at the end.
Okay.
So this is a madness.
Okay.
So you put this in.
It's mad, you know. You know, no, cause bingo, me I pre the team, you know.
Yeah.
Can you have, yeah, all right, watch your skills we have on the team. Ben, come around this way, because that light that over there is killing it. Ben, you see Ben, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, Up and Coming Productions. He is the mastermind behind the camera, yeah?
Yeah.
He's the bad man behind the editing, yeah? When you see the proper good edits on Cook and Vibe and Ringo Vision, that's Ben's work. No, seriously. Yeah, no, I'm serious. His camera works mad. Obviously, music videos. If you need a music video, anything like that, he does freestyles and all different types of things. Then you have Ringo Vision. You see me? Ringo is the official chef out of everyone. Yeah, he's the official chef. And you see his man's presentation, and he also does like catering, events, and them thing there. And then you done know, so yeah, myself, music artist, also a chef. Yo, a whole heap of skills in our team, man.
What you on?
That is it. What's that?
So this is the last fried chicken that's gonna be going on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He looks lonely.
Very long.
Why is he just sitting there on his own for?
I don't want to crowd at the pot.
Ah.
Yeah, you see
Yeah,
it.
you gotta wait to go in, mate. As soon as someone leaves, you can go in, yeah?
100%.
Come like a nightclub.
Nightclub of one. Somebody have to get kick off.
Yeah, somebody has to get kicked out. Here we go.
Alright people, so what's happening right now, yeah, as you can see, the chicken is frying up nice and slowly, people. So I've got the long dumpling them in there, tucked away. Yeah man, I know you guys like the long dumpling, yeah, the long spinners dumpling, see them, yeah? Yeah man, so what's happening now, the dumpling is going to be infused with all that sweetness from the chicken into the oil. I've got a garlic in the oil as well, people, yeah. just to make sure that we get all that flavour going on and everything. Look at that crispiness off of the chicken. Look at that golden brown. So what we need to do now is to get the rest of the chicken them on the same wavelength. I like him dot. 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 Alright, this is it.
Hey, you did come back here, bro, because you didn't see that. You lot, you didn't see that.
No,
all right?
I was so fast, so quick.
And they didn't see it. Don't tell no one.
Yeah, look at that. So what we're gonna do later on now, everyone, yeah. So we've got the Scotch bonnet pepper, the red onion, the scallion, the thyme, and we've got the lime as well, people. Yeah. So we're gonna use this and fry this up here just to bring off the yeah, man, just to bring off the fried chicken, people. So a good vibe. So what we're gonna do, you know, and I think we should check this one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this to the park, yeah. Turn over that one there, yeah, man, a good vibe.
Hey, you see a little dumpling there, boy.
Boy. Good vibe.
Good vibes. Sit there.
Nice.
Yeah. Turn them over.
Looking mad, that Ringo.
Yeah, man, so what's happening now? So I just thought, raw, you can't have chicken without some homemade chips. So I'm just making some chips as well to go with it. Good vibe.
Yeah. Fried chicken and chips.
Fried chicken and chips.
Ringo Vision style. Yard fry.
Quickly.
Yeah, man, it's kind of fast, man. So, all things going on the channel, Ringo.
I need you guys to leave more comments.
You need more comments.
I need more comments.
More interaction.
More interaction.
Get involved. Get involved. Get in the comments. Let him know what you want to see. Drinking next to man. So drinking. I've had 2 sips of wild wine. Let me show you. Wait. Look, that's how much I've drunk. Look. Dangerous game. It's a dangerous game, Ringo. Look how much I've drunk, bro.
Dangerous.
Man's talking about let the people then let you know what you want to drink next.
Yeah?
What kind of what you want him to cook next? Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I'm interested in?
Yeah.
And obviously, by the time this episode goes out, it's already going to be released, so they can go and check it. But I believe it's out tomorrow. The Turkish breakfast.
Yeah.
I'm proper looking forward to that one
So
because I've never seen you cook
it's
anything
out already,
like that.
so go back and check the episode. So it's already out. Everyone.
It's already out.
Well, when this gets out, it would already been out.
Oh yeah, I was going to say, what have I missed it?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So it's out. It's out now. Yeah. So just go and check it out. Turkish breakfast, Ringo Vision. I've never seen him cook anything like that. I don't even know what he cooked. We don't even know what it is. So
A good vibe.
we'll see.
So what we're doing, we're getting rid of these chips out of there. Quick and fast. So you know what I'm gonna do now, yeah? I'm just gonna get into stage 2 quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah, quick. So I'm just gonna get all of this out of the oil and then get everything into stage 2.
You want me to check them?
No,
You sure?
no, you're good.
You sure?
You can eat potato raw.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Let me give you a funny belly.
No, you know funny belly, man.
You sure?
I'll stick you to that, man.
I hear you. Vegetable, isn't it? Not going to give you salmonella, is it?
So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pop this in the oven
Yeah.
and just left that because I need to use this pan. So if you can take out, I can pour some of the oil in here, right?
Yeah. Quick and fast. You have to use this. This is me.
All right, people, look how I'm moving.
There's a little bounce there. Flavours. What flavours, my man? Yeah, good vibe. What's that, garnish? Oh, jeez!
Yes, everybody.
You're moving wussy, bro! You're moving wussy!
What we're gonna do, people, yeah, because you know, see, we've had mad chips and things we're getting right now. innit?
Seasoned chips, you know. Seasoned chips and dumplings.
Yeah, man.
So you have the yard style there on this side, yeah.
Yeah.
And you have the English style on that side there.
Quickly.
Mixed race.
Mixed race.
It's mixed race. That is a mixed race dish.
No.
Jamaican and English. You get me? This side is M dot, that side is Ringo
I
business.
think we need some, because the serve up time in a look away in a second now.
Okay.
But,
Bow. Warrior.
wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, so what we're gonna do now, if we can, this one here, we can turn it down on a low. On a low now.
Your.
So what we're having now, everyone, here, we're having the pepper, the garlic, the red onions, everything just infused into the flavour of the spinach dumpling and the chips.
Love that.
Yeah, man, a good vibe.
Yeah. I know them Scotch bonnet there, they will soak into anything what lands on it, you know.
Come on.
The rump with Scotch bonnet pepper, you land on that, you're gonna feel it. If a chip, if a dumpling, if a potato, if a chocolate bar, if you land on that Scotch bonnet, you're gonna know.
Yes, everyone, so look, as you can see right now, so, yeah, man, so we're just gonna turn this pan off now. Good vibes. Everyone, so look, we come to a completion now. So come in and so come see what I go on. So this I go on now.
Fry, yard fry, woyoy.
Yard fry, man.
Yeah, that is it, woyoy. Look at that, people. The garnish is looking mad. Yeah, man. All right, so look, hold on a minute. Let them see what's going on. Let it flow. Look at that, people. Presented yard fried chicken with garnish on a bed of lettuce.
Take a picture, please. Take a picture.
Hey, Ringo, I'm still recording, bro. I didn't walk ones are dangerous. Oh, look at that, people. I saw good vibes today, people, man. I tell you, man. Oh, it looks so pretty on camera, man. I tell you, man. Look pretty.
A good vibe. Whoa!
Oh!
Yeah, man, people. Thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. Look, I go and give it full ingredients. Slap it and comment in the comment section, quick and fast. Don't know what I want.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Look, I have to take the chicken now.
Yeah, you have a taste it for the camera. Taste time. What I say. Yard fry.
Crunch. Did it. There!
But they might think you're lying, so let me test it. They might think you know what I mean, bro? They might think, oh man, you got a lie, I tell. Alright. Call him 10 times. That is it.
That is it. That is it.
It's good, man. Good, man.